In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you guys how we can link debit card or credit card with PayPal just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial, so let's get started. So all you have to do is you just need to open your PayPal account like this, go to your PayPal homepage, and you should see over here transfer money, okay? Click on transfer money like this, and it's gonna take you to this page. So what you will do next, you just need to click over here on link a debit card like this. And here you go. What you will do next, just put your debit or credit card number here, choose which type of card you have, okay? If you have Visa card, you can choose this one, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, and so on. I'm gonna choose, for example, Visa. Scroll down, put your date of your card here, your security code here, and your billing address. Then click over here on link card, and that's it. It's super easy and simple. That's how you can link credit card or debit card with your PayPal account. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next videos.